Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tip to make a slide to shutdown in your PC. This tip allows you to shut down your PC just by sliding it down. For this, right click on the desktop, click on new and shortcut. In this box, type percent WinDIR percent backslash system32 backslash slide to shutdown .exe and press on next. You can type your slide to shutdown or name it as you want, then click on finish. This creates an icon on the desktop. To shut down your PC, double click on the icon and using the mouse drag it to the bottom of your screen. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment down below, subscribe and press the small notification bell.